Hey guys, you're welcome. Today we are making white buttercream. Very easy. Let's do this. All you need for this white buttercream, 1 kg of icing sugar. You can use your Muro, Baker's Choice or Susan, and Crisco. You need 300 grams of Crisco. I said 300 grams of Crisco, but if you don't have up to it, you can still go ahead and do your buttercream. Today I'm going to measure my Crisco. I have an old one and a little one I got to complete up to 300 grams. So after measuring it, I'll start mixing. Measuring my Crisco, finally I only got 270, but I'm going to use it that way and I believe it will still come out beautiful. But the right measurement is 300 grams of Crisco. That's vegetable shortening. But I got 270 because this is the only one in the house. So I'm going to manage it that way and go on, and it will still come out pretty and beautiful. But if you want to go for the correct measurement, it is 300 grams of Crisco. That's vegetable shortening. Make sure you sieve out your icing sugar. Take your time to sieve out your icing sugar to avoid those beautiful lumps you're seeing right there. When you're done sieving your icing sugar, cream your Crisco a little and you start adding in your icing sugar. Take your time to do this. Incorporate little at a time. If it's looking hard or if it's looking strong, add some water to it. If you don't want to use water, please feel free to use your milk. Yes, you can use liquid milk instead of water, but today I'm using water. First I'll be adding my vanilla flavor. My white vanilla finished, so I have to use this dark vanilla, and I wasn't happy about it, but I just tried. This is my first time of adding dark vanilla to my white buttercream. At this point I was so disappointed. I was like, this is changing color already, but to God be the glory, the outcome changed and came back to normal white color. So add water. As it's looking thicker or it's looking hard, you add water to soften it a bit and you continue. If you don't have water, you can use your milk. Wow, look at this beautiful. This is so beautiful. It's already white. If you're new to this channel and this is your first time of watching my video, like, feel free to join this lovely family by only clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alerts of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alerts of our newest video. To my old subscriber, I appreciate you from staying tuned, for always coming around to check on my videos. Thank you so much. Look at our buttercream.